Having a problem with this mower not running right. Sometimes it'll run good and then sometimes it'll cut up, just won't run at all. Tank is full of fuel. I have my fuel shut off turned on. This is the fuel filter. Here's the fuel pump. When I turn the key on and start to crank it, it should be shooting fuel through this filter. I turn the key and there's no fuel shooting through this filter. I believe that fuel pump is bad. To change this fuel pump and get to it easier, we're going to take the hood off. When you take your hood off, first thing to do, unplug your wire going to your lights. You see right down here where the hood hinges to the frame, it just pulls right out. Another way to check the fuel pump, take this hose off of the side that's going to the engine, off the fuel pump, turn your key and bump the start over. If this fuel pump is working right, it should be pushing fuel out of this end. Fuel pump has two bolts, one at the top, one at the bottom, and these two other hoses to take off. Have a new fuel pump right here. Put the new one in place. Two bolts, top and bottom. Hook this up on the bottom. This holds your fuel feed coming from your tank. You can get your air compressor and blow through these lines if you need to. I've already replaced these lines, put a new shut-off valve on it. Now we turn the key and see if this filter will fill up and fuel will start shooting out of this end. I turn the key and fuel is starting to fill up in this filter. To make it easy on your starter, you can prime your line, take you some gas, pour it in this line, fill that line up, slide it back on here. Turn the key, it should start shooting fuel out. Now since fuel is shooting out of this filter, you can hook this line back up. You could pour a little bit of fuel in this line too to help it out if you wanted to. Mower should start to hit, crank up now.